Wag. To move something back and forth quickly, especially a tail or finger. The puppy is wagging its tail happily. She was wagging her finger in anger. Saw. To cut something using a saw. He is sawing the wood. She is sawing the pipe to fix it. Sob. To cry very hard and noisily. She is sobbing in her room. The baby is sobbing for milk. Sow. To plant seeds in the ground. Did you sow the tomato seeds? I will sow some flowers in the garden. Do. Don't sit on the grass, it's wet with dew. I wiped the dew off the window. Rip. To tear something quickly or forcefully. He ripped the letter in anger. Don't rip the pages of the book. Opt. To choose or select something from different options. I opted to buy the cheaper phone. Sarah opted for the blue dress for the party. Mob. A large crowd of people, often violent or disorderly. A mob gathered outside the store. There was a huge mob at the market today. Mow. To cut down grass or plants using a tool. I will mow the yard today. He is mowing the grass in the garden. Hay. The cow is eating hay from the basket. I bought fresh hay for the horses. Dip. She dipped the biscuit in milk. He dipped the brush into the paint. Fog. I can't see the road because of the fog. There was a lot of fog this morning. Hem. The edge or border of a piece of cloth. My mom is stitching the hem of my dress. I rolled up the hem of my jeans. Lid. The lid is too tight, I can't open it. She opened the lid. Bow. I always bow when I meet someone older. After the speech, he bowed to the crowd. Dye. I will dye my hair red next week. She is dyeing her hair at home. Ill. Sick or not feeling well. He was ill last night. I got ill after eating street food. Ash. Please clean the ash from the fireplace. There was ash all over the floor. Sew. I don't know how to sew. Can you teach me? She is sewing a scarf for winter. Lap. The child fell asleep in her mom's lap. Come here and sit on my lap.